Hello everyone, welcome to part 167 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So once again we are going to work on the coupons functionality in our Laravel website. If you remember that we have left this coupon type functionality in the coupons module that we have done earlier, and in that we have not done so far single multiple time coupon code, and that is based on the orders. If the order has been placed, if the coupon is single and the order has been placed for the single time, then the user can't able to avail that coupon again. But if the coupon type is multiple time, then the coupon can able to avail that coupon again and again, okay, in his order. So we are going to first check that whether the order has been placed by the user or not. Okay, so we are going to work on this coupon we have not done because order placement process was incomplete at that time. But now the order placement process is done with the COD at least, and in the next video we will start working on the PayPal as well. But now it's complete up till COD, the COD order placement process, and also order processing, manual order processing is completed with the order invoice and everything. So we can complete this open code functionality as well. So let's start. Let's first log in into the admin panel, where I'm going to show you where we are going to create the coupon as well. Here in coupons, we are going to check here. I'm going to add another coupon maybe. See, I'm going to add coupon option. I'm going to make it automatic. Coupon type, see, coupon type, this is the coupon type. I'm going to make it right now single time, okay, and I'm going to make it like 10% of coupon, and I am going to add all, select all this, all the categories, all the brands, and all the users, and I'm going to set the expiry date as well, and we'll generate this coupon. See, the coupon has been generated as it is for this single time, okay. So I'm going to log in here. We'll add product to the card. I'm going to log in with one of the email ID. Okay, so here I'm going to add product to the card now. Okay, so I'm going to apply this coupon. I'm going to copy this coupon and we'll paste here and we'll apply that. Okay, you can see the coupon discount is there, 59.5 discount. I'm going to proceed to checkout and going to apply this coupon. See, going to avail this coupon in the order. Okay, so see here, we are getting 59.5 discount. That is the 10% discount we are getting. So once we complete this one, then a user must not able to avail that coupon again. So that is the main thing. Let's see here. I'm going to select that cash on delivery. I agree to terms and condition. Click on place order. Wait for few seconds as the email is also going. See, we will add the loader wherever it is taking time. We will add the loader, as in some places also we have already added the loader. So see, the order has been placed with the discounted amount, and now I will go back again and will add one more product, and we'll try to avail that coupon again. And at that time it must not avail, but see, right now the functionality is not done, so the user can able to avail, but that is wrong. So we are going to do the functionality for that. See, I'm going to try to avail that coupon again. See, I am availing the coupon again, but this is the single time coupon. So we are going to add the condition. We are required to add the condition in apply coupon function, where we are applying the coupon. Product control, I'm going to open the product controller and we'll open that apply coupon function. And here, once the coupon is valid, once the coupon code is valid, after that we are going to add the condition after inactive, after expired. Here we can add another condition. Check if coupon is for single or multiple times. So here we are going to check that whether the coupon is for the single or multiple time. Here I'm going to take the coupon details, coupon type. I'm going to check the coupon type here. Coupon type equal to single time. Okay, if it is single time, here we are going to check whether we are what we are taking in the coupons, uh, single time or single times. Single time, okay. Multiple time, okay, fine. Single time, if it is single time, last one I'm going to check the last one as well, our single time. uh, See, single, fine. If it is equal to the single time, okay, and we are going to check in the orders table if coupon already availed by the user. We are going to check the orders now, that the coupon is already availed or not. Okay, uh, check in orders uh, if coupon is already availed by the user. Okay, so here we are going to take one variable, coupon count variable we're going to take, and I'm going to check in order model, where I'm going to compare with the coupon code. This one is the coupon code is equal to the code of the coupon, that this one, and also we are going to compare the user id. Okay, user id also we are going to check that which user id is trying to avail the coupon again. So we are going to match with the user id also in the orders table. Here we are going to take the auth user id. Okay, then count. So we are going to check here if dollar coupon count is greater than or equal to 1, it means the coupon has been already availed. Okay, so in the case of single time only. Okay, in multiple time we are not going to check this condition, as in multiple time we allow the user to avail the coupon as many times as he want. The coupon code is already availed by now by you. We will write by you because that user is trying to avail that coupon again. Okay, so I'm going now the user will try again. I'm going to copy and paste the coupon again, and this time error message must come. Let's see. Now the user is trying to avail the coupon again. He already placed the order with that coupon, and now he is trying to avail the coupon again. Still check one. Still it is not showing. Let's see what is the error. Coupon time must be single time. After that it must come to this condition. Then the message, okay, error message here. See, not the message, it is the error message. Now we will try once again. I have taken the wrong variable. Now I am going to try once again, copy and paste here, and try to apply, and this time you can see the coupon code is already availed by you. What error message is coming? See, this coupon code is already availed by you. So it is telling the user that the coupon is already availed by the you. Okay, yeah, because the coupon has been already availed. In the last order we have already placed the order with the coupon, so this coupon is for the single time. So that's why he user can't able to avail that coupon again. So now this condition is working fine. Now our coupon code, advanced coupon code functionality in Laravel 10 is complete. Okay, so you can also add this one at your end. And for the multiple time coupons, like if the coupon is multiple time, then it will not ask the user. Then see, I'm going to update this coupon to the multiple time. Okay, now the coupon is multiple time. Now if he will avail the coupon, see this coupon, if he will avail, like if I'm going to apply this coupon, then he can able to apply, you can see. And one more thing I want to see, that the coupon must not change every time. See, yes, coupon is changing every time, so this is the issue that we need to resolve. See, we need to add one condition in coupon controller here, where we are editing the coupon, and I'm going to open the coupon controller in admin, add edit coupon, and here the coupon must only edit here. We are only going to check this condition if $id equal to empty, and here in post we are going to see where we are generating the coupon. This one is the coupon code, and if automatic, this one, and coupon code. See, coupon code must be update. Here you can see coupon code, we are trying to update, but this condition, this one, will only work if the id is empty, because we are not going to update the coupon if in the case of edit. Check other things as well. See, now if I will try to edit this coupon will not edit. Rest of the things the user can able to edit, but the coupon code he can't able to edit. Okay, I'm going to make change like by back to single time. This coupon code is 5b0bx. So see the coupon code is not editing this time. Okay, but he can make able to edit other things. Okay, but the coupon code remain fixed, because coupon code, the admin or client can't able to update once it is made. Okay, but we will check once that this functionality is also working fine. I'm going to create the another coupon, another single time coupon. Let's see if it is working fine. Okay, let's see if there is no issue with the new coupons. Yes, new coupons we able to generate. Now if in case the user will try to edit this coupon, then this coupon will remain the same. Yes, now it's working fine. Okay, so you can do these changes at your end in the coupon module, and can close this coupon module, advanced coupon module, that we can add in any e-commerce website. So in the next video we will start integrating the PayPal. Okay, so first we will do that PayPal. After that we will see this one we are going to work on this PayPal, and after that we are going to work on the direct bank transfer and pay with check as well. But first we are going to work on the PayPal, that is the global payment gateway and applicable to most of the countries in the world. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, and please subscribe as well as join the channel to get the complete source code. Here is the channel name, so youtube.com stack developers. Stack developers, and you must join the channel to get the complete source code, so that you can compare the original code with your code, and that it will become easier to resolve the issue, and you will get the support as well. Okay, and also start watching the other series, Laravel 11 series with MongoDB. Okay, that will enhance your Laravel knowledge. Now the now NoSQL database is having lot of demand, so you must be aware of NoSQL database, and MongoDB is the best NoSQL database. So you must so Laravel 11 series totally different from all other series. That is the new series, latest series, and you if you are a student or even developer, you must follow that series. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.